Good Wednesday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for December 9th, 2015. We're going to have an upper level system that's going to move through the area. It's going to be mainly overnight tonight here, but we're going to see an increase in clouds from it. Not a lot of lift associated with this, so I'm not expecting precipitation, at least nothing other than a very isolated chance, and not even enough to really mention. But there is an opportunity here for a quick patching shower, and that again would be closer to the overnight period as we have this moving through here. It's barely even showing up here on the model guidance here, but we do expect this to move through overnight, which will give us some cloudy conditions tonight, some increase in the clouds during the day today, and mostly cloudy in the afternoon, cloudy tonight, and then areas of fog will develop after midnight for many locations across our coverage area here. So we'll have that clouds and fog hang on into the morning here on Thursday, and then we're going to have those morning clouds give way to partly cloudy skies in the afternoon as that moves out away from the area here. So again, it's not an organized system here, but it is an upper level system that is bringing those clouds and the fog in the overnight period. So let's be careful after midnight. We'll watch out for that fog. It could be locally dense in some areas, and then that moves out by the middle of Thursday. Here is a look at later Thursday. Then we're going to get into, or actually overnight Thursday and into Friday. Staying dry during this period here, but one thing is going to be changing here in a big way is we're going to have high pressure that's going to build off to the south, off the southeastern coast here. This is going to allow a kind of like a Bermuda high effect, like you have in summertime. You get this big Bermuda high sitting out here, and it pumps up some seriously hot air. If this were July or August, here we'll be talking about temperatures well into the 90s here, but this is of course not the right time of year for that, but we're going to get some pretty exceptional warmth for this time of the year here, especially this weekend. So we go over to we're going to go over to a temperature anomaly map here. This is actually showing temperature departures from normal. All these reds are above, well above normal temperatures here. This here is you heard of red hot. This is white hot, so to speak. As these temperatures here are actually centered over parts of Illinois and Indiana here are going to be some 30 to 35 degrees above normal from what they're supposed to be for this time of year, and part of that is going to make it through to our area here. Here's a look at early Saturday morning, and you can see during the day Saturday we get some of that bleeding into our area here. Of course, the warmest portion of this will be closest to the area of low pressure that's driving this this warmth northward. But again, we get into Sunday, we're going to get up a good portion of this moving across our coverage area here, and just some exceptional warmth for this time of year. We're talking about temperatures going to be near or exceeding record highs for this for both Saturday and Sunday. And I do think the cold front comes through here on Monday. It'll knock temperatures back down here quite a bit as we head into Monday and Tuesday, but it still might be slightly above normal behind that frontal boundary. There's nothing dramatic cold just yet. I think that is going to be coming, but it might be probably another 10 days or so, probably a little bit more than that before we start seeing something even more dramatic as far as cold it goes. But I think we're going to get away from these really exceptional temperatures once this cold front here moves through. This is a look at this is late Sunday, so we're going to have clouds increase late Sunday night, and then we're going to have the cold front come through with some rain, and it looks like that's going to occur here on Monday. Mondays looks like the first half of Monday is going to be wet, and then we might have some clearing later in the day when that system moves out with the associated cold front, and that's going to bring in some colder temperatures behind it. But again, this is not exceptional cold. This is just going to get us back to near to slightly above normal temperatures, actually, behind the frontal boundary for Tuesday and into the middle of next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for December 9th, 2015. Have a great Wednesday.